What is revisionist history? Have you ever wondered how our understanding of history can change over time? This brings us to the topic of revisionist history. So, what exactly is it? Revisionist history is the process of reinterpreting historical events, figures, or narratives. This happens when new evidence, different viewpoints, or updated theories come into play. It often challenges what we have traditionally understood about the past. In the field of education, especially for teachers, it is essential to differentiate between the academic practice of revising history and the negative connotation that sometimes comes with the term. At its heart, revisionist history is a normal and necessary part of historical scholarship. Historians frequently revisit past events as new information emerges or as society's values shift. For instance, historians may reassess the causes of a war, the impact of a leader, or the experiences of marginalized groups that were previously overlooked. This process ensures that our understanding of history remains accurate and relevant. However, the term revisionist history can also carry a negative meaning. In this context, it refers to attempts to distort or misrepresent the past, often to support a specific agenda. Teachers should be aware of this distinction and guide students in understanding that while questioning and updating historical interpretations is part of learning, intentionally twisting facts is not acceptable. Understanding revisionist history is important for teachers when designing curriculum and coursework. It encourages critical thinking by showing students that history is not just a fixed set of facts but a subject that evolves with new evidence and perspectives. Teachers can use examples of revisionist history to illustrate how interpretations change over time. For example, views on civil rights movements or the causes of major conflicts have shifted significantly. Practical applications for teachers include encouraging students to compare different historical accounts and identify why interpretations might differ. Additionally, teaching students to evaluate sources and evidence is vital. They should learn to distinguish between well-supported arguments and those based on incomplete or biased information. Classroom discussions can model how historians debate and revise their understanding of the past. By incorporating revisionist history into lessons, teachers can help students develop a more accurate and thoughtful view of the past. This approach supports broader educational goals by preparing students to think critically about information and understand the dynamic nature of historical knowledge.